The way yam cost for market now, anybody wey dey chop yam now na ritualist o. Abeg, how much be yam for your area now? Reply in the comment section. Today we are preparing Ofe Nsala, popularly known as white soup. First, cook your goat meat with your stockfish. Season it with maggi and salt. Add water and allow it to cook for some minutes. Add your dry fish, yam, add some water and allow it to cook. Add your African nutmeg, popularly known as ehuru. Remove your yam, pound or blend until smooth. Add more water. Remove the African nutmeg. Add your crayfish. Blend and add your spices. Also, add salt, yam and allow to cook. Then add your uziza leaf. Stir and allow to cook for some minutes. Abeg, which swallow go well with this soup? Reply in the comment section. For more recipe, follow, like, share and comment. Bye.